So then I said, oh my God, there, so to the crossroads. Well, hello there. Nice of you to join me. What's good, y'all, man? Today I'm gonna do the long-awaited cooking tutorial with a special guest, Chef Boyardeezy. Okay, chefs, today we are going to cook food. Let's get on with the ingredients. So I'm gonna start off with the most important part of a meal, in my opinion, and that is the Arby's. Okay, we have the meat for cooking. All right, you need to get you some underwater sea cockroaches, a meat stick. Now, me personally, I usually get the uncircumcised meat stick, but they ain't had that, so I had to settle with this here. And then last but not least, a flightless pigeon. Now, if your meat is small like that, just remember, it is not about the size of the boat. It's about the savor and the flavor. You hear me? Bloody hell, it's raw. Next, we have the ingredients that's going to have you sitting on the toilet bowl for 24 to 48 hours, and that is the dairy products. Now, I'm going to keep it a buck 1,000 billy while. I'm lactose intolerant, but to be for real with you, the way this food be hitting, I don't even care about that. Now, I know y'all looking at this like, bro, is that say great value? Well, just remember, with great value comes great flavor. Shut up. Anyways, first of all, you're going to need some of that Parmesan. Okay, Parmesan cheese, that mozzarella cheese, you feel me? Some heavy whipping cream, none of that light shit. Then you want to get you some salsa, you know what I'm saying? Now, normally I get the Picante salsa, but I got this from the gas station. So any salsa really do, you grab you some of that, or you can make some, but I don't be liking that because it tastes like goddamn tomato sweat. Anyways, penne pasta, bro. Penne! You feel me? You want to get you some of that right there, bro, and you're going to be in the game. And then last but not least, your sources for that extra flavor, bro. Okay, you gotta use some butter. Now, personally, I'd say get a butter stick, but you know, I ain't got no butter stick, so I'm gonna use this calcium butter, okay? That's probably some lard right there, some margin. All right, and then, of course, you gotta have that Tony Sausage, bro. Nobody really know how to pronounce this word, but I found out that it's Tony Sausage. I used to say Tony Chicharros, but either way, it don't matter. Grab you some of this right here, bro, because it's gonna get the job done every single time. Then after that, you wanna make sure you got all your meat, you know what I'm saying, chopped up nice like this here, you feel what I'm saying? Next thing you want to do is fill up your pot of that medium quality H2O, because let's keep it a buck, it really ain't all that good. Yes, sir, just like this here. You know what I mean? Just fill it on up halfway, like that there. The next thing you're going to do is take this Mary Poppins salt and just sprinkle it in there a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Then turn the stove to up. Boom. Now, while you're waiting on that to start boiling, you want to go ahead and turn the other side to in between like that there. That way the meat can cook on this side. Next, you want to take that Tony's and just go ahead and sprinkle it in there. Now, I don't know y'all wondering, like, how much do you put? Well, you know, you shake it till your ancestors tell you to stop. And if you ain't got none, well, they abandoned you. I'm so sorry. Mix it up, you know what I'm saying? Get it like this here. You feel me? Just, you know, just give it like that. You know, just give it a little massage. You know, kind of like you do your girlfriend, except you actually focus on it because you want to get the job done. Yeah, sirree, Bob. That's what I'm talking about. Seasoning. Now, if you want to go ahead and put a little bit of this Vegeta Blazing Olay in there so the chicken don't stick. You feel me? Bam, just a little bit, just a little split. Wow, that's enough. And while that's getting hot, you want to go ahead and put some of that Tony's on these shrimps as well. You know what I'm saying? Like this here, not too much. Mix it up. Yes, sirree, Bob. Now, once that water get to bouncing like ass in the strip club, you want to go ahead and take that penne pasta, bro, and just go ahead and start pouring it in there. So now that's boiling. You want to come over back to this side with that chicken cooking. You feel me? It's on and popping, cuz. Now, once that chicken look like this here, man, you know what I'm saying? It's about done. You want to go ahead and take it out and put the sausage in. Now, on occasion, you want to come over here and get this pasta a little twirl, man. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to stick to the bottom or nothing like that. Let it get a little movement, bro. You feel me? Got a little exercise, all right? And you just want that cooked until it's tender like the day nap. Now, you want that sausage to have a little sear on it, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you just give it a little shaky shake here and there. You know, get you a spatula or something. Move it around. Make sure it's cooked evenly on all the sides. And then, last but not least, make sure you put that good old shrimp in there, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that's sizzling. And you want to let that shrimp get a little sear on it, you know what I'm saying? But don't let it cook too long, because, you know, shrimp cook fast, man. You got to let it cook a little longer in the sauce when you get done. So once it's about, you know, wet and wet, just go ahead and take it out of the skillet. You already know what's next, man. Put that butter in there and let it melt, bro. Just go ahead and let that melt on down in there, man. Let it sizzle in spirit. Once that's about melted, you want to go ahead and add in that whipping cream, man, like this here. Ooh, creamy. Then after that, you want to go ahead and add you some of that salsa, bro. Okay, look at it. After that, you want to go ahead and mix it up a little bit, bro. You know, let them flavors get to know each other, man. Let them know about their life. You know, one of them was struggling, while the other one was eating off the silver spoon, but they ain't know about that life. Let them learn. Then you want to add in that good old Parmesan cheese, bro. Okay, Parmesan. A good little bit, though. You know, it's the main flavor, bro. Okay, yeah. You like that? That looks good. Then go ahead and add some of that mozzarella cheese, man. Yo, like that here. A little something on the side, man. Go ahead and fall out, bro. There we go. Go ahead and mix that thing up, bro. Just like, ooh. See that color starting to change, bro? It's turning orange, bro. Orange. Not a whole pot spinning, boy. I be whipping and flipping and dipping it in the kitchen with me. Now, once that sauce start getting thick like a science book in high school, that's when you know the sauce is about done. Now you can pour all the meat into it and go ahead and strain the pasta and pour it off in there. Then bam, just like that, bro, meal. Okay, go ahead and turn the stove off. You know, it's off, but you know it's kind of hot, so it's a little silly. But you're gonna let it cool down and get you a little bite in, man. And last but not least, the best part, the taste test. Scrundly! Hey man, I appreciate y'all watching my tutorial, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. All jokes aside, this is one of my favorite things to make, man. It's busting, okay? I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and instructions in the description, so if you want to make it and try it out, you can do that. If you got any questions, you let me know, man. If y'all want me to do it again, just say the word. Until next time.